write your own story. You watch the paint peel from the picture, and you know she's a saint. Still you stutter words that you would never utter when you're self-aware. And now your tone has grown so wistful. Remember back when in the morning mist we'd stumble in the dawn, our heads full of words, screaming out the songs, screaming out the birds, 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 the birds. So come on, brother, no, we're not gonna go. Follow the others down the yellow brick road. You should know that yellow is a cowardly color, don't you know? Why is your toad road so wistful? Remember back when morning mist we'd stumble in the dawn, our heads full of words, screaming out the songs, screaming out the birds, the birds, the birds, the birds, all the birds, the birds, the birds, all the birds, the birds, the birds. Came so far on your own, went so well from the get-go. On your own it falls apart. Came so far on your own, went so